Why is additive manufacturing considered one of the most transformational technologies in the industry?
A couple of things, I think. One is that speed to delivery. So you've got a design process, and that's going to take however long it takes to get the design and the engineering just right. You've got to have the materials, and hopefully a good ERP system helps you make sure you've got the right materials. But being able to actually execute that manufacturing as fast as possible means that you can rapidly increase the throughput in your factory. You can do more, right, without having to go out and buy more equipment, simply because you're doing things faster. And in an additive or 3D manufacturing, 3D printing kind of world, you're able to do things in lots of one. In traditional manufacturing environments, it often takes a lot of preparation and setup time to do a run of something. So you want to do as many as you can, right? Or you want to do as many of an operation as you possibly can at the same time. In a 3D printing world, you can do lots of one very, very quickly. And that speed of execution, that speed of turnaround, and that increased level of throughput can have, they can be genuinely transformative for a manufacturer.